Imagine commission notifications like this keep popping up almost every hour while you're traveling, spending time with your family and loved ones, or even while you sleep. Please stop what you're doing right now and pay close attention to this total earning of over $4,000 with $800 of commission flooding into your accounts. This doesn't require you to always stick with your computer or your mobile phone to make this work. This is going to be one of the quickest and easiest passive income streams you have available right now. It's 100% free and available worldwide. So if you stick around to the very end of this video, I'll even reveal an undiscovered method to make 5 times or even 10 times more money. So make sure you don't miss out on that. Let's get started with the video. As usual, I'll walk you through everything step by step. First, I want you to visit the website unbounce.com, which is the one we'll be using to make money online. The first thing I want to do is show you something incredibly intriguing. This is just a rough estimate of how much money you can make. You can see $400, $800, and even $1,800. If you continue watching, I'll show you how to quickly and simply double your income. Unbounce is a software that enables customers to create various landing pages and websites. So let me quickly explain Unbounce and how it works so that you can design amazing landing pages and make multiple websites. Now let me demonstrate some of the websites that Unbounce can develop. You can see here various website categories, and they even provided numerous examples. As an illustration, this one is a landing page and a website that Unbounce allows you to create. Don't worry, we won't be making any websites. You won't need to produce any videos. Neither will we require technical expertise or prior experience. All I want to do is demonstrate how effective this program is in enabling others to build stunning websites like this one right here. So after I explain how Unbounce works, I want to demonstrate how we can earn a lot of money by using the Unbounce Partner Program. To this, go to the homepage of unbounce.com. Scroll to the bottom and then click on the Partner Program, like under the Company section. This will take you to the page where it says Earn 20 recurring revenue for every referral. I enjoy Unbounce a lot since they regularly pay you in recurring commissions every single month. Once you set up the system, you can continue to generate recurring income every month. So let me explain the whole of Unbounce's 4 pricing packages. Again, this technique is completely free. You're not required to buy anything or buy Unbounce. However, as part of this plan, we will be referring and promoting Unbounce to others. Once more, I'll show you how to do it in a fully automated way. Be sure to watch to the end for a bonus that will allow you to earn 5 to 10 times as much money. Now to start, you can see here income levels of $100, $150, $200, and even $400 each month. If you promote these packages there, some people will purchase on the annual plan, which means they'll purchase 12 months of the package. As you can see here, the highest earning package is $400 every single month. Now let me demonstrate your earning potential on this specific website. If you multiply $400 by 12 months, we get $4,800. From there, we can generate 25% of the commission, which means from one single customer we can earn $960. But before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Let's return to the video. You can keep receiving commission notifications like this one for $720 over and over again. All we need to do is use a very easy, free, and automatic approach to advertise and suggest Unbounce to other people. And we can make a lot of money. First, click on the blue Sign Up button to create a free account with the Unbounce Partner Program. Then as you can see, a chatbot will appear at the bottom of the page. To fully join up for a free account, you must answer a few questions. To begin, you can see here. Ready to become an Unbounce partner? Just click Let's do this. Then the following questions: are you currently an Unbounce customer? You can simply select No, because as stated before, you are not required to use Unbounce or make a purchase. Next, are you a marketing agency? Simply select No. So right there under the question, where will you be sharing your link? I want you to choose social media. When you join up for a free account on Unbounce, you'll receive their special referral link, which we need to promote to earn revenue. What is the social media of choice? And right here, I want you to type in Quora, because that's the platform we'll be using to advertise this particular program. Make sure you keep watching to find out more. Who is your primary audience? So you're going to select General Marketers. So now you can see, awesome, we are almost there. Time to get you to the dashboard. All you have to do is click on this link to create an account. Once you do, you'll be taken to a site whereby you can enter your email address and click on the Continue option. From there, you must create a password for your account. Finally, when you're finished, click on this button to sign in. Once your account has been successfully created, you will be taken to the dashboard of your brand new account. Here, the first step is to accept the terms of service to receive your special referral link. To do this, simply check the box and click the Confirm button. That's how to sign up for the Unbounce Partner Program for free. On the summary page, you can see how many clicks and referrals you're getting, as well as how much money you've already made. Since this is a brand new account, you can see here that you have earned 0. But by using this exact strategy, you can start earning a lot of commission quickly. To find your special referral link, click on Links over there, and then Dismiss. To copy your URL, all you need to do is click on this Copy button. Then as we move on, I want you to visit Quora.com, where you can sign up for a free account using Google or Facebook. From there, you can start posting or answering questions on Quora immediately once you've successfully created an account. Quora functions somewhat like a forum, where a lot of people visit the site to post various photos and videos, ask questions, and provide answers. This is where you can get a lot of free traffic that is highly targeted. So from there, enter How to Create a Landing Page into the search bar at the top of the page. You'll be directed to this website where you may find a variety of questions that people are asking by clicking on this question. As you can see, many people are asking the same question, and some people are responding. This is going to be your best opportunity to refer targeted people to get traffic to the Unbounce website by using your referral link, and you're able to earn 20% of the recurring revenue and commission. Depending on what packages they finally purchase, the higher and more expensive packages that they purchase, you'll earn the most amount of money. This is a very effective method to get started as a complete beginner. Just like what I showed you, the maximum earnings are up to $960 in commission. All you have to do is click the answer button here, which will open up a box where you can type in your response and leave your specific referral link. Then click the submit button. That is pretty much a smart strategy, and if you want to keep earning more money, just keep searching for different topics and answering various questions on Quora, while leaving your referral link in the comments to acquire a lot of free traffic. And that's it! If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below.